he started the paper, and he went through a lot of hard work. I mean, in fact, my maternal grandmother would refer to him that he, in almost pejorative terms, that he could turn the world upside down, you know, because of the way he made the paper survive and found ways. And I mean, the stories of how he got people to invest with him, and in fact, there's a story in his biography of how he once came up here to Sainte-Agathe, and Sir Mortimer B. Davis, who was the tobacco king of Canada at the time, had an estate up here in Sainte-Agathe, and they drove back to Montreal in his special car on the train, because you didn't come up by car, you went by train. And he was trying to convince Sir Mortimer B. Davis to invest in both in the building of the Talmud Torah and invest in the Keneder Adler. And they passed what at that time was the Boyce Farm, and my grandfather got him to, he said, okay, how many Jewish boys are there in the Boyce Farm? And my grandfather did the research and found there was only one who had been through the Talmud Torah. And so he got Sir Mortimer B. Davis to invest in that. But it also got him to put ads into and pay him in advance for putting ads in for Imperial tobacco into his paper. And that's how he went after people and was able to get the paper to survive.